Hi everybody, it's Tammy Cali style coming back at you for another video. Yes, y'all. How are you guys doing? Come eat with me. Thank you. I missed you. Let's get right into it, you guys. I upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified. Like, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified. Yes, y'all. All right, today, you guys, I have me soda. Yes, that should be good. I'm hungry, you guys. I told these people they better not cross me. So I told them I want it fresh. I better not have no problems with it being fresh. Okay. Because this Sonic that I usually come to, I don't know, you guys. Okay. So far, so good. And usually when I come here, you guys, I get the hash browns, either chili cheese hash browns or cheese hash browns. But I tried their fries one day and they were good. So I got just regular French fry for Sonic, you guys. I got me a cheddar pepper. Okay, which I want to try one of those right now with my ring yanch. And I got these two little double cheeseburgers. You know, they're called double quarter pounder cheeseburgers, but they have just ketchup, mustard, and pickles on it. And then the small ones, you know, like McDonald's small cheeseburgers. Oh. That's fresh, y'all. You guys gotta try that. It's hot, y'all. I shouldn't have did that. Woo! But it's good. I'm gonna let those cool off. I was gonna have to eat the whole thing or all the cheese was gonna just ooze out. You know what I mean? Alright. Let's show you these cheeseburgers. I got this before because it was so good. Ooh, look at all that cheese paper. Here's the little cheeseburgers. But it's actually good. It has a pickle. Ketchup and mustard. They did everything right, other than give me some napkins. And then they fill everything up in the bag. Oh, here's my napkin. Now I'm hungry. So how you guys doing? I like Sonic's regular fries. I'm surprised they're so good. I usually, like I said, get the the hash browns, either with cheese on them or chili. They have a new one. I was gonna try, but I was having bacon mac and cheese bites and chili cheese bites. You guys can try them if you come here. This cheeseburger is good. To only have mustard, pickles, and ketchup, I love it. Because I was having like, I never had like a favorite sandwich here at Sonic. You know? But now I have a favorite meal, what I like to get. I used to like the hot dogs, but you don't really want that big old foot-long hot dog every time. Comment below what y'all think is good at Sonic's. Other than their drinks. Because I got a Route 44. Again, strawberry lemonade slushy mixed with grape. So good, y'all. No. I'm so hungry too. Let's take a drink of this. Oh my God. It is almost like it's like a treat. You know, like, it's also like dessert. So you're gonna have it after your meal. And I just will have it maybe a few more hours after drinking, trying to drink the whole thing. That was so good. So last discussion we had, you guys, from my ear, we was talking about movies. The movie club. I'm excited about that. And get some more details for you guys though, in regards to what we have to do. And then just watch whatever you watch. But I posted below and a note so we all can watch it. Cause I know one thing I hate is like going to Netflix and not knowing what's good, you know? Wow, cheese. So what would we say was gonna be the Netflix book club? No, the Netflix movie club. I think it's gonna be fun, you guys. One cheeseburger is enough. I thought it was smaller. Yeah, but I think that's gonna be fun. And if you guys have any questions or ideas or anything that you want to know about it, comment below. I'll be happy to give you more details. And maybe like at the end of the week we all sit and talk about them. Who watches TV on YouTube? Can you watch like TV on YouTube? I've seen a couple of people like, I don't know if that's legal though, record like certain shows, but then you come back the next day and delete it. What shows are you able to watch legally on YouTube? Let me know that. Other than like ours, of course. Sorry about that, you guys had a little interruption. But yeah, so comment below all the questions that you have. And let me know. And we'll get into it, okay? But I had a little interruption. I have to go back to work really quickly, you guys. So this is a short video, but don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified. Like, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified. Yes, y'all. It's Tammy Cali style. Signing out. Until next time, I love you guys. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.